Here now, the Toyota Corolla Acid 2006 model. Remove the engine because of knocking. This one knocking, so remove now. By this one here. Right, everything remove there. Axle shaft, bracket, exhaust, and this one the compressor remove also. Remove the AC compressor, wiring harness there. Everything wiring harness there. See, it's one harness, injector, ignition, and this one the hose for everything hose, radiator hose and the heater hose remove, and then now the converter, and all the converter bolt there, yeah, and all bolts for the transmission, 17 mm and 14 mm. So now get to remove. So you have to remove the engine. Only one person, right? I think something black there. So we need to remove the exhaust because exhaust there, see, very tight area. I remove only the exhaust joint. So this one tight area here. A little bit only. Only top and only the up and seat. All right. So you want to person do it. So right. Show you because this one is a Neros. This one the bracket eh. Need to post because the radiator there. Yeah, something like that. Okay, that's it. And then go up. Back to that. See there, exhaust. Okay, almost free. Okay, it's very tight area, but this one here. So we need to move forward. Forward a little bit. This one, this one. Okay, and up. Nice, not really. Now. Need more up. Something like this. Okay. Still touching there. Right. Right. This machine I put close to the engine because when you read something like this, touching there. If you're not close touching there, right? So this one now is close the engine, so that's it. You can move properly. Now it's good. You can move out. Now it's ready to move. Ready to move. Okay, very nice. Hey, this one the converter there. Remove the converter, remove the flywheel, everything remove there. Yeah, see? Yeah. Oh, converter, radiator, bracket there, exhaust, power steering need to remove also. Because this one goes there. This one the hose goes there. So that's why I need to remove. Alright, now it's good, free now. So I need to down a little bit and goes there. Right? Very nice, Mike. So only one person do it. This one. See you. Okay. Give me like, comment, and share. That's it. Babu.